Okay, good morning to all. So in last class we discussed about unit and dimensions, but today we are going to discuss about semiconductor devices. Very simple unit this, like unit and dimensions. After completed this, compulsory we have 8 marks, 2 or 3 questions. Very simple unit. Listen properly. Semiconductor devices. Before going to problems, first we must know about basic concept. That means theory concept. Very simple this. Listen properly. First, VB. That means valency band. This is energy. This is valency band. This is conduction band. First, valency band. The band which are occupied by valency electrons. So, this band occupied by valency electrons. So, that is called a valency band. This is valency band. This band may be completely filled or partially filled. Keep in mind, completely filled or partially filled, but can never empty. Completely or partially can never empty. Okay, that is called valency band. Conduction band, CB, conduction band. Conduction band, this band occupied by conduction electrons. Conduction electrons. This electrons only responsible for conduction of electricity. Keep in mind. So conduction band. This band partially filled or may be empty. Partially or may be empty. That is called the conduction band. Then forbidden energy gap. Forbidden energy gap. So forbidden energy gap is separation between valency band and conduction band. This gap, that is called the forbidden energy gap. Okay, suppose to transfer electrons from valency band to conduction band, to transfer the electron from VB to CB, that means the valency band to conduction band, the external energy required to moving the electron, that means free electrons from VB to CB, here external energy required, which is equal to forbidden energy gap. Which is equal to forbidden energy gap. That's all. Now only the electrons transfer from valency band to conduction band. In the அளவுக்கு இந்த gap அளவுக்கு நமக்கு energy தேவை. Keep it right? Okay. Next. Insulators, semiconductors, conductors. Insulators, semiconductors and conductors. So in this case, that means in insulators, this gap. What is this gap? Forbidden energy gap very insulator no, very large. Very large. For example, insulator, wood. For example, glass. Okay. Semiconductors. This gap, that means in semiconductors, this gap, that means a forbidden energy gap, very small. At the same time, in semiconductors, most widely used as a semiconductors, only two: germanium and silicon. Ge, Sa. And conductors. At the same time, before going to discuss about conductors, here germanium, silicon, most widely used as semiconductors. This gap value for germanium 0.7 electron volt. EV, electron volt, that is called energy. For silicon 1.1 electron volt, very important. How will you remember this? GE 0. This is not a correct spelling, okay? Just consider 0. So germanium Ge 0.7 electron volt. For silicon, not double L, only single L, but consider silicon double L. Double L, that means 1.1 electron volt. That's all, very simple. So 0.70 means 0.7 electron volt. Double L 1.1 electron volt. Okay. Then conductors. Forbidden energy gap in conductors, there is no forbidden energy gap because CB and VB, conduction band and valence band, overlap each other. Overlap. No gap. For example, metals, human body, etc. No gap. 0.7 electron volt, forbidden gap. For germanium 0.7 electron volt, for silicon 1.1 electron volt. At the same time, keep in your mind potential barrier value. For germanium 0.3 volt, potential means volt. For silicon 0.7 volt. For silicon 0.7 volt, potential barrier value. Okay, 0.7 electron volt for germanium, that is called forbidden energy gap. For silicon 1.1 electron volt. Potential barrier value 0.3 volt for germanium, 0.7 volt for silicon. Don't confuse between forbidden gap and potential barrier. Okay. Next one. PN junction diode. PN junction diode. First, the symbol for this, that's all. This is P end. That side N end. This is the symbol of PN junction diode. Symbol. This is very important. Symbol. There are two cases, very important. Listen properly here. Forward biased PN junction diode, reverse biased PN junction diode. forward biased PN junction diode, reverse biased PN junction diode. Two cases, very very important this. First, forward biased PN junction diode. The symbol for that, P side, N side, plus minus, that means positive, negative. What is this? External battery. When positive terminal of the external battery connected with the P side and the negative terminal of the battery connected with the N side. Now the PN junction diode, it is in forward bias. Now only this is works. What is the meaning of this? PN junction diode works in only forward bias. Correct, very good. Not in reverse bias. Keep in mind. Okay. Then clear? Okay. Reverse biased. Reverse biased PN junction diode. What is reverse? It is opposite for forward bias. That's all. What do we here? Only change terminals. That's all. How? What is this? Symbol of diode. That means a PN junction diode. P side, N side, or P end, N end. That's all. Negative terminal of the battery connected with the P end. Positive terminal of the battery connected with the N end of the PN junction diode. Now this is reverse bias. If work karma does not work because of this is in reverse bias. Okay. So in this case acts as a conductor. Very good. In this case PN junction diode acts as a insulator. Accept panikade, accept panik. Clear? Keep in mind. Before that, going to discuss about transistor, another type of diode. What is that? Zener diode. Very 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 important. Compulsory we have one question from this. Zener diode. Zener diode. Very simple this. Symbol for this, like PN junction diode, but P side, N side. But what is the specialty of this Zener diode? It is works in only reverse bias. Okay, very simple this. That is a symbol for Zener diode. At the same time, the main character of this Zener diode, very good, voltage regulator or stabilizer. Regulator or stabilizer. This is the main character of Zener diode. Junction transistor, or simply that is called a transistor. There are two types of transistor. Remember? PNP transistor and NPN transistor. PNP and NPN transistor. The symbol for PNP transistor, The symbol for PNP transistor, this is the symbol, correct? No, that is wrong. What is the important here? Very good, arrow mark. This arrow mark towards this, no? So, PNP. N means noodles. சாப்பிட்றது உள்ள போகிறோம் உள்ள போகுதா உள்ள போயிடுச்சு noodles. So that is called PNP transistor symbol. Because that is important. என்ன சார் இது arrow mark தானே? No, arrow mark is very important. Okay, what is B? Base, collector and emitter. NPN transistor, nodes inside and outside. What is outside? Arrow mark. So base, collector, emitter. So away from the base. Correct or not? So this is symbol for NPN transistor. Okay. That's all. PNP transistor and NPN transistor. There are three types of modes in transistor circuit. How many modes? 3 modes. First, already told you at the time of teaching the class. Remember or not? BEC, BE, civil engineering. Remember or not? Very, very important. That is Bachelor of Engineering, tried civil engineering. So BEC, 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 BEC. First BEC, second BEC, third BEC, like this. We must add C. Here C means common. Already told you just now. B base, E emitter, C collector. So common base mode, common emitter mode, common collector mode. Common base, common emitter, common collector. That's all. Okay. What is common? Common means common base here. Base region, it is common for both input and output. That's all. Common emitter region, it is common for both input and output. Like this, CC also. Okay. Here we can draw only one configuration for this mode. How? Listen. What is this? No meaning. Correct or not? Now, NPN transistor or PNP transistor? NPN transistor. Base, collector, emitter. Okay. Remember or not? BBB. VCC. Which is common here? Emitter region for both input and output. That's all. This is input, that is output. Suppose here connected on resistor, that is called base resistor or input resistor. Collector resistor or RC or load resistance or output. Keep in mind, all these points used at the time of discussing about problems. Clear? Very simple. We can draw like this for CB mode and CC mode also. This is very, very important because a lot of times asked from this mode only in NEET examination. Okay. What mode this? CE mode. But NPN transistor or PNP transistor? Come on, tell me. NPN transistor value. Clear? Current amplification factors alpha, beta, and relation between them. Current amplification factors alpha and beta and the relation between them. Relation between them. Current amplification factor or current gain, both are same. What is meant by gain? Generally ratio of output to input. For example, so here current gain or current amplification factor, it is defined as the ratio of output current to input current. Okay, so alpha and beta current amplification factor or current gains in which mode? Alpha. Remember, common base mode. Very good. Common base mode. Very good. What is output current? Already told you just now. C. That means collector. So IC, that is called output current. Input current IE in common base mode. So in common base mode, current amplification factor is alpha, beta, alpha. Keep in mind. Similarly, in which mode? Beta. Already we have discussed about this in theory. Common, very good, emitter mode. Common emitter mode. Beta is equal to always output current IC. This is beta, like now B. So IB. That's all. Okay. This is just like E. So IE. But always output current IC. For alpha, IE. For beta, beta, B. So IB. Alpha is equal to IC by IE. In C mode, beta is equal to IC by IB or change in collector current delta IC by change in base current delta IB. That's all. Relation between them. Alpha is equal to, we can written as beta by 1 plus beta. Okay. Then beta is equal to, we can written as alpha by 1 minus alpha. Okay, finished? Then next one, the fundamental relation between currents in the transistor circuit. How many currents are there? How many region? Base, collector, emitter. So base current, collector current, emitter current. Already told you one point to remember this, like BEC, BE Civil Engineering, EB cache. Remember EB cache. EB cache. EB is equal to cache holder, bill cutter. So from this, IE is equal to, remember or not? Forgot. Okay. IE is equal to IB plus IC. Clear? This is the fundamental relation between currents in the transistor circuit. Emitter current is equal to sum of base current and collector current. At the same time, very important one point, keep in your mind. Collector current almost is equal to emitter current. Very important this. frequency of oscillations. Next one, frequency of oscillations. What is oscillation? Waves produced by LC oscillator. Produced by LC oscillator. LC oscillators. What is LC oscillator? Inductor and capacitor both are connected in parallel. Oscillations are produced. What will be the frequency of this oscillations? We can write F means here frequency of oscillations. F is equal to 1 by 2 by root of LC. Constant. Good. What is L? Inductance. Capacitance. Okay. Simple. And now another topic, digital electronics. Remember, digital electronics. Digital electronics. Comparing this previous topic, very simple. This like playing. What is playing? Cards and die like this. Very simple. Digital electronics. So in this topic, first we discuss about gates. Gate, very simple. Gates. Okay. What is gate? This is a digital circuit with one or more inputs, but only one output. ஒன்னுக்கு மேல இருக்கக்கூடிய inputs A, B, C இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கலாம். ஆனா output only one output. Okay. How many gates are there according to our syllabus? Remember, 8 are, 2 are, 1 are, 6 gates. How many gates? 6 gates. First 3 basic. OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. OR and NOT. Next, fourth, opposite for R. What is opposite for R? Rho. Rho. No. NAR. What is meant by NAR? How do you perform NAR gate? NOT plus R. Clear? That's all. Fifth one. Opposite for AND. Opposite for AND DNA va? No. NAND. NAND illa. NAND படிச்சாதீங்க. NAND gate. For NOT. Tana? No. XOR gate. Written in Tamil, Thanitha OR gate. What? Thanitha OR gate. Now OR gate is Thani. This is not a correct meaning, just for remembering, for memory. XOR gate. Exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate. That is called XOR gate. OR and NOT, NOR, NAND, XOR gate. Clear? Now we are going to discuss about symbols of these gates and truth table and Boolean expression. That's all. Okay. First, OR gate. First one, OR gate. What is symbol for OR gate? Remember? A, B and Y. A, B, two inputs. Output, only one output. Already told you. This is the symbol for OR gate. OR gate kana symbol. How do you remember this? என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன்? ஆத்துல மீன் பிடிக்கிறவங்க புல்லா பொறுத்துவாங்க. குப்பத்தெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மீனவர்கள், ரைட்டா? ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஆல். அப்போ ஆறு ஆத்துல மீன் பிடிக்கிறது. ஸோ குல்லா, இந்த குல்லா அப்படி திருப்பி படிக்கணும் நம்ம. ஸோ தட் இஸ் த மெத்தட் ஃபார் ரிமெம்பரிங் த சிம்பிள் ஃபார் OR gate. கிளியர்? இவனை அப்படியே இப்படி திருப்பி போடுங்க, இந்த மாதிரி வந்துடும். சார் எங்க சார் இந்த வால் இல்லை, அதெல்லாம் கேட்கக்கூடாது. That is output. Okay. Then, what is the Boolean expression for OR gate? Y is equal to A or B. Correct? So that means A plus B. That is the Boolean expression for OR gate. Or output is the formula for output for OR gate. That's all. A plus B. Then, at the same time, before going to discuss about truth table, we must know about there are two states. How many states in gates? In gates, two states, 0 and 1, two states only. On and off, true and false, high and low. Only two states in gates. In this main thing, 0 and 1, that is important. Okay. Now we are going to draw the truth table. What is truth table in Tamil? Unmai attavanai. That is logic. So that is called logic gates. adana logic இந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். logic அப்படிதான் இருக்கும். So that is called logic gates. So here A, B, two inputs. How many output? Only one output. Y is equal to A plus B. Clear? Then keep in your mind, only already told you two states, but how many possible are there? How many possible? 4 possible. Already you have studied in mathematics. Coin toss பண்றது. Head, tail, head and tail and head, like this. எத்தனை காயின் வச்சிருக்க? Only you having only 2 coins. So number of possibilities 2 power n. How many inputs here? 2 inputs. So 2 power 2 is equal to only 4 possibilities. Okay. How many states are there? Only 2 states, 0 and 1. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, head and tail, tail and head and tail, like this. That's all. This is basic. Keep in your mind 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. Okay. What is this? Plus no? Like ordinary addition. Okay. So in ordinary addition 1 plus 1 2. But here not 2. 1 plus 1 1. That's all. So like this, listen. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 not 2. That means low low low. Low high high. I am correct on that. High low high. High high not high square. High. That's illogical. Clear? Okay. Second one. What is second one? AND gate. AND gate. AND AND gate. How do you remember this? Already presented one symbol in this. D. That's all. That's all. A, B. Two inputs. Y is equal to only one output. What is the Boolean expression for AND gate? AND. A and B. You must read as A and B. This is A or B. What is AND? A and int multiplication. That's all. So AB or A dot B. This is the Boolean expression of AND gate. Symbol, how do you remember this? Already presented here. D. So this is like D. This is a symbol of AND gate. That's all. Very simple. Then truth table. Truth table. Not necessary here. This was okay. You can write directly. How many inputs are there? A, B, two inputs. So A, B. Output only one output. A, B, or A dot B. That's all. So inputs are please. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, like ordinary multiplication. 0 into 0 0 0 into 1 0, not 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1. That's all. This is the truth table of AND gate. Okay, then third one. What is third one? Basic gates. What this is? The three gates are basic gates are basic, fundamental. Third one, not. What is not? How do you remember the symbol for not? Already presented. O or bubble or circle. But you must have one triangle. Okay, so this is bubble are called and otherwise that is called a circle. So this is the symbol for NOT gate. But here only one input, only one output. But NOT means complement. Okay, keep in mind complement. So here input A, if input A, output of NOT gate Y is equal to A bar, that means A complement. If input X, output of NOT gate Y is equal to X complement, that means X bar. That means 0, for example input 0, for complement of 0 1, that's all. If input 1, complement for this 0. That's all. So how do you draw the truth table? Input A, output A complement 0, because only one input. I am correct or not? 0. Only possibilities are only one. 0, output 1. If input 1, output 0. That's all. This is the truth table of NOT gate. Truth table of NOR gate. Clear? Okay. Then last one. What is the remaining? Remember? Come on, tell me. Very important in this logic gates. Remember or not? This is basic gates, okay. Only 3 completed. Another gates. Another 3 gates. After that, another 3 gates. We have important one thing. De Morgan's theorem. So after completed another 3 gates, we are going to discuss about De Morgan's theorem. Fourth one, NOR gate. Fourth one, NOR gate. This NOR gate, OR plus NOT. That is called a NOR gate. So what is this? Symbol for OR gate. But the symbol for NOR gate, N means something told you not. That means a bubble. So, okay. This is the symbol of NOR gate. What is the Boolean expression for NOR gate? What is the Boolean expression for OR gate? A plus B. NOR means a not means a complement. So A plus B whole complement. That is the Boolean expression of NOR gate. That's very simple. And the 3 gates நம்ம படிச்சலையா? அந்த 3 gates ஞாபகம் வச்சுங்க. அத வெச்சு இத எழுதலாம். கரெக்ட்டா? Very simple. Okay. Then truth table. A, B, Y is equal to A plus B. Complement 0, only two states 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. First you must write A plus B. That is easy method. Okay. Direct confuse. So then A plus B complement. Correct? 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 0 1. Sorry, 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 1. This is for OR gate. NOR gate means a complement, no? So very good, 1. Okay, that's this simple method. So here this only we want. I am correct or not? So this is for truth table of NOR gate. Very good, NOR gate. Clear? Very simple method. Okay. Fifth one. What is fifth one? NAND gate. NAND gate. Okay. Listen. Very simple this. What is this? Symbol of AND gate. Very good. But here we must draw for NAND gate. Okay. This is for NAND gate. Abbe enna seyano? One bubble add panni. You must add one bubble, that's all. Okay. For AND gate, Boolean expression A and B, AB. But for NAND gate, complement no. So that's all. AB whole complement or A dot B whole complement. That's all. Okay. Truth table. A, B. Okay. Come on, try yourself. Come on. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. Pause please. For AND gate, 0 0 0 1. Correct? Try yourself. Correct? Okay. Finish. Correct. Okay. Then for NAND gate, complement of AND gate. 1 1 1 0. This is of NAND gate. That's all. Clear? நீங்க பண்ண சரியா இருக்காங்க. Okay, that's all. Next, sixth one. XOR gate. XOR gate. Already told you. Exclusive OR gate. In Tamil, Tanitha OR gate. Appo OR gate வந்து தனியா பிரிஞ்சிரும். சொல்றது புரியுதா? எப்படி சிம்பிள் டிரா பண்ணுவீங்க? What is this? Symbol of OR gate. Tanitha OR gate. தனியா பிரிஞ்சிருக்கு. So okay, so exclusive OR gate. The Boolean expression for this, y is equal to symbol of doctor symbol. அப்ப a doctor b படிக்குமா? No, a XOR b, or y is equal, it is equal to a b complement plus a complement into b. Okay, மறந்து போச்சுன்னு வச்சுங்களேன். y is equal to ab plus ab bar பக்கத்துல bar. Okay, so bar means a complement. ab complement plus a complement into b. This is the Boolean expression of XOR gate. De Morgan's theorem, very very important. De Morgan's theorem, first theorem. Okay, first theorem. A plus b whole complement is equal to a complement dot b complement. Come on, tell me in sentence. Sum of the complements or complement of the sum? Confused. First keep in mind. Okay, bar. Next one a plus b. So complement of the sum, it is equal to product of the complements. Complement of the sum, it is equal to product of the complements. Clear? Full straight இருந்தது தனித்தனியா உடைஞ்சிருச்சு. Plus opposite dot. That's all. Second, first plus and dot, correct? Plus dot. Plus dot, complement. That's all. தனித்தனி உடைன்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா? ஆப்போசிட்டா? இதுதான் நினைவுல வச்சுக்கணும், அதுக்கான மெத்தட். AB whole complement. So complement of the product, it is equal to sum of the complements. That's all. Two theorems. Very very important this. Next, I found it. That means a truth table of XOR gate. Truth table of XOR gate. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So the truth table of XOR gate is different from another 5 gates. Okay, but is output of XOR gate A XOR B, or it is equal to A B complement plus A complement into B. So 0 0 1 1. Very very important. Lot of times asked in theory examinations. What is the meaning of this? If both inputs are low, output 0. If both inputs are high, output 0. if either low or high, now only it gets output is high. Okay, this is special character of XOR gate. Okay, clear?